Hello everyone, my name is Jose Armenta and the app that I will be presenting today is Language Plus. The target audience. This app is dedicated for high school students in grades 9 through 12 who are enrolled in a foreign language course or in a biliteracy program. Learning goals or outcomes. Language Plus is dedicated for those who want to learn one or more languages. It allows communication between countries so that the individual can learn from others in their native language, and is composed of over 2,000 languages. The theme. Language Plus is simple to navigate and is user-friendly. It will be linked to student emails provided by their schools. It will censor inappropriate dialogue between users. It will not allow users to delete conversations, and it allows the user to create an avatar customizable to the look and feel of the user. How will it look? What is the design? Language Plus is designed to switch its framework depending on the device. It works with smartphones, tablets, and even has a desktop version. Language Plus has an interface design that is simple and easy to use, having only 7 functioning buttons, which include the home, notifications, videos, language selection, age range of the individual desired, the option to automatically translate, and fun trivia. It can be downloaded from the App Store or Google Play, and this is the logo for the app. What activities will students accomplish or complete? Language Plus provides vocabulary and grammar access within the language selected. It allows for the user to develop language proficiency and confidence. It provides strong focus on speaking, communicating, and practice. It is dedicated to allow users to learn language skills from anywhere in the world. And it matches users based on their level of expertise, which are beginner, intermediate, and expert. Thanks for watching. Language Plus is the coolest app.